All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Pitaka have created something great for your iPad Mini 6. Now, I've had my iPad Mini 6 for quite some time, and there's finally something that's interesting to put on the iPad Mini 6. This is Pitaka's MagEZ Case Pro for the iPad Mini 6 and Petaflow charger. So this is going to be very interesting. As you can see here, it says reinforced frame on there, magnetic attachment, premium AMOLED fiber, and then you got the new hassle-free charging experience. So this is going to be really, really nice. I'm going to go ahead and share it with you in this video right here. Slim and protective. Obviously, Pitaka is known for having the thin, ultra-thin cases. And then you've got never lose your pen again. It's got a slot for my pen, actually. So that's going to be pretty interesting. Right now, it just kind of clips onto the side right there. And then it says hassle-free charging. And then so this is going to be really nice. So let me get something to open this up with. And I am excited to finally share this with you. By the time you watch this, I've had this for quite some time, but embargoes are some things and that you have to abide by if you want to have certain relationships. It's not a problem with me. So, take it out of the packaging here. Yeah. And it's going to open like this. Very nice packaging. Oh, yeah. Yep. And it tells you how to use it. So install the pin clip. Tells you how to do it. Install the pin clip on the side. Tells you how to do it. Mount your iPad to the easy mount system. It's got to just slide it in. It's good to go. Charging. It shows you how to charge it. Shows you how to remove it and everything else. And then this is something right here, the MagEZ charging stand for tablets. I will show you that too because they in fact did send that as well. So we will go over that as well. So let's get the case out here. Simple presentation. Let's peel this off. Oh, this feels, oh wow. Okay, so you know the Pro Series case that I have for the iPhone 13 Pro Max? This is exactly what this feels like. Wow. Very, very nice, man. This is extremely nice. So obviously this is the side where your pen's going to go. This is the connector right here. And you can see on the inside of the case here, you can see that's where it's going to go in, charging type C right there. And you've got the Petaflow or Pitaka Flow, however they want to say it. This is really nice, nice subtle branding. This is a great feeling case. And looks like we've got the charger, the magnetic charger, type C. And what's in, oh, this is for the pen. Very, very, very nice. Super excited to finally get this, to be able to show you this. I mean, because, you know, having not been able to talk about it with you, you get some materials and things like that that people don't read. So let's put this all aside here. Clean up this mess, John. All right, so this is the attachment for the pen, and I don't want to troll myself, so let's see here. It just goes in through this little hole, looks like on this side. Yeah, there's a little hole on this side, and it goes in, and that's pretty much it. It locks in place right through here. Okay, yeah, I don't want to embarrass myself. So let's go ahead and try this out. All right. Very, 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 very nice. This is a nice, let's see how it has. Oh yeah, it's on there tight. I was wondering if it was going to be snug or not, and it definitely is snug. So before we do a demo of the charging, let's go ahead and put in the iPad Mini 6. Yep. Ooh, this feels really good. I gotta put my pen in. All right, yeah. So you got a little bit of lip protection. I do have a tempered glass on here, so keep that in mind. But I want to show you the case itself. The volume rockers are here. You got your ports here for speakers and stuff, and microphones and such. And then again, this is where the S Pen is going to go. Let me, S Pen. Oh Lord Jesus. So it does clip on by itself, but the port here is so it stays and you don't lose it. So it clips on like this, and then it goes into this little slot here. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt this. Boy, I know, John, I know it's difficult. You don't want to be trolled on camera. All right, so, all right. And then it just kind of snaps in place right down inside of here. There's little snaps. There we go. I did it. I think I did. Okay, come on, John. I hear the snaps. Even with my bifocals, it's hard to see. Yeah, they are. There's these little clips where it snaps into place. There we go. Oh, got it. I got it. All right. So then, slide the iPad in. Oh, I'm so glad that worked. And then my pen slides there, and then that locks in place. And boom, folks. Boom, boom, boom. The boom, boom, boom. All right. So we got it in place, and that definitely will not fall off. Now, what about charging? So I'm going to go ahead and plug into a fast charger right here, because I do have a fast charger type C. And so this is now active. It is active. So I'm going to turn the display off. And boom, it is charging, folks. We now have wireless MagSafe charging, MagEZ charging, thanks to Pitaka. This is a huge plus for those that don't want to deal with this and you have wireless charging in your car. I have all kind of mounts and things for the car. This is going to be great. So this is how it looks. Yes. I mean, I'm so happy to be one of the first to get this. It's incredible. So what about the charging stand? Now they did send this over as well. And again, this is another exclusive item. This is just great, man. I'm going to go ahead and pop this open for you. I won't prolong it. Super happy to finally show you these things again. Been holding on to them for a minute and I couldn't wait to show you. So this is the MagEZ charging stand for tablets, and it's obviously compatible with the system you just saw there. 20 watt PD charging, magnetically attaches. This is going to be so great by my bedside. Comfortable desk view, multi-purpose stand, 15 watt wireless charging on the bottom down there. Okay, so I can put my phone down there on the bottom. Oh, that's fantastic. That is fantastic. So you've got a wireless charging pad, and then you can do wireless and the plug-in charging up top. So where did I open it? Right here. Again, shout out to Pitaka for sending this over. This is a huge deal for people who have the iPad mini 6. Oh, yeah. So it tells you how to connect it. It tells you how to plug it in and everything. And it's just pretty straightforward and to the point. And here's the system. So let's lift up here. This is the wireless charging base. Nice. Oh man, this is a nice little rubbery texture right there. This is nice here. You need this to actually put it together. It's got some nice little rubber feet, looks like, down here, so it can stay steady. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Now here's a charging cable, more than likely. Materials. What is this? These are just your materials. And here is the Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And here is the nice stand. Wow, this is absolutely nice. All right. Let's come on. Don't troll me. Don't troll me. Don't troll me. I'm about to go beast mode on it. All right. Oh. Came right on out right before beast mode. Now this in fact is a metal stand, so this is actually really nice. All right, so taking a look at this portion right here, it is built exactly like the this charging pad right here, as you can see, and the iPad will go on nice and snug. Wow, that is nice, nice and snug. It's very strong. And then here's the portion down here where you plug it in to this portion, and you can see there's a Type-C module right there that goes through to this portion. So that is really, really nice, man. I mean, this is great. This is fantastic. So let's go ahead and put it together. We'll go ahead and tighten down here. All right. They had the screws ready, or a little loose already for me. So I could slide it in and tighten. Wow, this is beautiful. All right, now the stand sits like this. It's tiltable and everything. So the Type-C cable, you might be wondering, Jay, where does it go? Well, there's a little slot to the side right here. It's kind of difficult to see, but it is right there, just like that. And then you put the cable through that portion, just like that. And again, I do have a fast charging port right here on my desk. And so it is now active. And boom, you have fast charging. Now, it doesn't tilt very far because this is meant to be facing me. Yeah, but it's very, very nice. And I can tell you this is a nice addition. You can see it's charging there. You have to leave it off for a second for it to kind of kill that. Did it unplug? Oh, there we go. It unplugged a little bit. Charging. This is a huge plus, folks. Man, just looking around it here, it does tilt like this. So you can tilt it at different angles. Most people will probably use it like this for a video chat, or they'll use it like this. So Pitaka has really showed out. Let me give you a different angle here. Hold on. Right, so here it is mounted up. If you take this off, man, this is just a really nice stand itself. And again, it does tilt like this as well, so you can have it in different angles, portrait and landscape. Not a lot of give this way right here. It's limited on how far you can tilt it up, but you can tilt it. So if I show you here, it's charging. And that is what you want, folks. You want to be able to use it in portrait and landscape, and you in fact can do that. Now, when it comes to the wireless charging, I'm actually using my iPhone to record, so I'll show you with a different phone that has wireless charging. See if it works with other things than Apple products. Let me grab something that's a little more flat, because this camera bump is probably messing it up. Okay, buddy. There we go. So it charges wirelessly. Let's try the OnePlus again. I'll put a case on it to level it out. There we go. So there you go. It just needed to be leveled out. And it does, in fact, charge wirelessly on the base and charging it up top. Now, if you have wireless charging headphones, your Apple wireless charging headphones, you can pop those on the base and you will be good to go, folks. So Pitaka has definitely done right by us with this combination. All right, so let's close out, man. This is it. You've got this wireless charging for on-the-go people probably, or just at your desk, or you just don't want to invest in the stand. There is a case combination with the wireless charging all-in-one right here. And then also, if you are a person who needs a stand and you want to put your device up on a stand while you work or watch a movie or FaceTime or whatever you choose to do, they've got you covered. It'll work this way as well. So this is a huge plus, man. Again, shout out to Pitaka for supplying the materials here for this video. I am amped to finally be able to show you these products, and it's just an exciting thing to see something happening for the iPad Mini 6. Yes, I do use this regularly, daily. And this case, aside for just the actual products themselves, the MagEZ system, this case is actually really good. This is just a good case to begin with. It's very hard to find a case that's really good, that's not too bulky or not too thin, and Pitaka has come through. So I appreciate them sending this over, and I appreciate you for sticking around for this video. This is a nice combination right here, folks. So if there's any links, you know where they're at. See you in the next video. Take care.